Hello my dear students, this is plus 2 accounts class. We are doing chapter not for profit organization, is it? I think you have done all the numericals that till video 6. We have done 6 video lecture of this chapter. Till that we have solved all the questions. Okay, do all the numericals regularly. Okay, this will be benefit for you. Okay, now today we will do some more practice of long question of not for profit organization. Let's start. Today we will do 31st numerical of your book, that is this one. The following particulars related to the Madhura Club for year 31st March 2016 is given to us. Receipt and payment account is given to us in the question, and some additional information also in the question. Okay, so we will prepare balance sheet of previous year, balance sheet of current year, income and expenditure account of current year, and subscription account. This will be in working notes. Okay, sometime you should see that they have demanded about the balance sheet or not, कि balance sheet बनानी है या नहीं बनानी है. Okay, sometime in question examiner were asked about only income and expenditure account. Then you will prepare only income and expenditure account. Okay, in this question we have prepared, examiner asked about the prepare the income and expenditure account and balance sheet of current year. Okay, so if we want to make the balance sheet of current year, then we want capital fund that we can find out by preparing the opening balance sheet. Okay, अगर आपको current year की balance sheet बनानी है, then it's understood that you will make the balance sheet of previous year also. Clear? Okay, so we will prepare these 4 things. I have made the performa of these 4 things. Okay, for the time saving. So first of all, we will prepare the subscription account in working notes. Okay, here to balance brought down, this is the previous year outstanding subscription. By balance brought down, previous year advance subscription, and to balance carried down, here current year advance subscription इसका opposite हो जाएगा. In credit side previous year advance, this is opening balance and this is the closing balance. Okay, and in this side this is the outstanding subscription of current year, and if total current year outstanding we will write here. Total means that if any outstanding subscription of previous year are still, कि मान लो previous year के outstanding subscription it was 3000, but we have received only 2000 out of that. It means 1000 subscription of previous year is still outstanding. वो अभी भी outstanding है. That also you will write here with the current year outstanding subscription. You will write here total outstanding subscription current year plus previous year still outstanding. Okay, and here by receipt and payment account, that how much subscription we have received, total subscription received, and here we will write the that we will showing the income and expenditure account. Okay, I have told you that sometime in question you are given to that total members of the club. These how many are there? Like 500 members are there, and each member paying rupees 1000 rupees subscription annually, पूरे साल की. Okay, so in income and expenditure account we always write the total subscription. So we can find out total subscription by the member wise also. If it is given to you in the question 500 member हैं, per member 1000 rupees है, then total subscription how much it will be? 5 lakh. Okay, so by in the income and expenditure account directly we can write the 5 lakh rupees. Okay, that according to the member total subscription. Okay, but we want to calculate the outstanding subscription of current year to write in the balance sheet. हमें balance sheet में लिखनी होती है outstanding subscription of the previous year. We will write here in the asset side outstanding subscription. Advance subscription we will write in the liability side. Okay, and total subscription of current year, that we will write in the income and expenditure account. Okay, so see what is given in the question, in question number 31. We have subscription, total subscription we have received 1,33,800. That how many informations related to subscription account that is given to you in the question. First of all, you will note down that information. Okay, in subscription you are saying that we have received total subscription of 1,33,800. that we will write here in receipt and payment account. Okay, we have received subscription of previous year 2,400. It means this subscription is outstanding in the previous year. So before writing this, you should read all the additional informations that are given to you at the with the balance sheet. There are 450 members, each paying an annual subscription 300. According to the member subscription is given to you, that we will write here. We can write here in income and expenditure account. Here also we can write 450 multiplied by 300. It will come 1,35,000. Okay. So in 1,35,000 we can write here also. Clear? Okay. And another information that 2,700 is in arrear for 2014-15 at the beginning of this year. It means this is the outstanding subscription of previous year. So previous year outstanding subscription was 2,700, but we have received 2,400. It means 300 is still outstanding. Okay, so we will write here in previous year 300 in front of previous year. Okay, and any another information? See, second information that a donation of rupees 20,000 was wrongly included in subscription of the current year. That we have received this subscription 1,33,800. In this 20,000 is wrongly included of the donation. So we will deduct here 20,000. We will write here 1,13,800. That 20,000 we will add in the donation. Okay, we will keep this thing in mind when we will write the donation. Okay, next information that entire donation and 3/5 of entrance fees are to be capitalized. Capitalized means we have to write in the balance sheet. So entire donation, how much donation we have received? See in the receipt side, donation we have received 1 lakh. We have received 1 lakh donation, but 20,000 that we have it is the subscription. We will add that 20,000 in donation. So in balance sheet, current year balance sheet, we will write the donation by rupees 1,20,000. Okay, clear? ओके पहले हम एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन से उनको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. ओके, एंड एंट्रेंस फीस 3/4 ऑफ द एंट्रेंस फीस आर टू बी कैपिटलाइज्ड. हाउ मच एंट्रेंस फीस वी हैव रिसीव्ड? 60,000. वी हैव रिसीव्ड 60,000 एंट्रेंस फीस एंड 3/4 ऑफ दिस हाउ मच? इट विल कम 45,000. सो 45,000 हमें कैपिटलाइज करना है. इट मीन्स 45,000 वी विल राइट इन द बैलेंस शीट एंट्रेंस फीस, and remaining 15,000 we will write in the income and expenditure account. In income side, entrance fees 15,000. Clear? Okay. Now next information is stock of the stationery on 31st March 2015. It means last year we have stock of 3,000 and closing stock is 5,400. So stock of stationery, opening stock we will write in the opening balance sheet. Stock of stationery, it is how much? It's 3,000. And closing stock we will write in the closing balance sheet. Stock of stationery, it is 5,400. Clear? We will adjust this opening stock and closing stock while calculating the consumption of stationery. Okay, stationery, how much stationery we have purchased? it is given in the payment side 24,000. In payment side, it means that we will write in the expense side. So donation consumed. How we will calculate the donation consumed? So I have told you in previous lecture that which amount opening stock, closing stock and consumption, purchase is given, 3 information are given to that item. Then we will calculate the consumption, that is formula opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Okay, so opening stock is 3,000 plus how much we have purchased, 24,000 minus closing stock, that 5,400. Okay, it will come 27,000 minus 5,400, it is 21,600. Is it clear? Okay, opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. Okay, clear? Now next is cost of the building is rupees 6 lakh. Depreciate it is at 5% per annum. Okay, cost of building, yani which building cost. See, maybe we are purchasing or selling any building. Okay, that information we can get from the receipt and payment account. See, is there any building information? No one is given. Okay, it means that building we having last year ही हमारे पास ये बिल्डिंग थी, इस साल हमने कोई बिल्डिंग नहीं खरीदी. So that we will write in the previous year balance sheet 6 lakh. Okay, and in current year balance sheet we will write 6 lakh minus depreciation. Depreciation is 5% per annum. 5% of 6 lakh, it will come 30,000. So balance sheet of in current year balance sheet, it will be 5,70,000. And depreciation we will write in income and expenditure account to depreciation on building. It's 30,000. Is it clear? Okay. Now after that, no information is it. Now we will see the receipt and payment account and complete that items are pending. Okay, clear? So that first of all our subscription account is pending. That previous year outstanding subscription is this. There is no information about the previous year advance subscription. So blank. Okay. And current year advance subscription, that is given to you in the receipt and payment account. In advance we have received 4,800. This is 4,800. Okay. Now one thing is pending, that how much is the current year outstanding subscription. That we will find out by the balancing figure. It means difference of debit and credit side. Okay. So do the total of this and do the total of this, and difference we will find out by the, that is current year outstanding subscription. Previous year, sometime previous year advance subscription, it is not necessary that it should be कि यह होगी ही होगी. Sometime there is no previous year advance subscription. If it is there, then information is given to you in the question. Okay, so we will find out by the difference of debit and credit side of subscription account. So difference of both side, it will come 28,400. So current year outstanding subscription is 28,400 and previous year outstanding subscription is 300. So total outstanding subscription is 28,700 of current year. Okay. If you don't want to write here 300, अगर आप 300 यहाँ नहीं भी लिखना चाहते, okay, then difference will come that 28,700. It is the total outstanding subscription and we need only that. हमें बैलेंस शीट में लिखने के लिए total outstanding subscription ही चाहिए, that is previous year still outstanding and plus current year outstanding. Okay, that is total. Okay, so this is 28,700, and outstanding subscription of previous year it was 2,700. There is no advance subscription, and advance subscription of current year is 4,800. Okay, clear? Now subscription is complete, everything about. So these 6 items are fixed in the subscription account. You can learn the pro forma of subscription account. Okay, that 5 informations are given to you, and 1 information that we can buy the difference of both side. Okay, that the previous year outstanding and current year advance that will be given to you. अगर इनमें से आपको कुछ भी नहीं दी हुई है, then we can put blank here. Okay, and previous year outstanding subscription, that we can treat only that amount. We can assume that amount that we are receiving in the receipt and payment account of previous year. जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में we are receiving 2,400 of previous year. अगर हमें additional information में that 2,700 ना दिया होता, then we can write here only that 2,400. हम वही लिख देते. Okay, it means we are receiving total outstanding of that is outstanding of previous year. Okay, clear? Yes. Now we will continue the receipt and payment account, and that as items जो आपकी रह गई हैं, we will write in that in receipt and payment account. Cash balance, opening cash balance, that we will write in the opening balance sheet 60,000. Okay, and closing cash balance, that we will write in the closing balance sheet 1,72,000. Okay, and subscription we have written profit from canteen. Canteen profit we will write in the income side by canteen profit. How much it is? Canteen profit, it is 90,000. Okay, next item is miscellaneous receipt. Miscellaneous receipt मतलब छोटी छोटी जो receipts होती हैं. Okay, miscellaneous receipt, that we will write in the income side 4,500. Sale of old newspaper, that is also in income side. Sale of old newspaper, space is less, so I am writing the abbreviation 11,200. Dividend means we have purchased any shares, that dividend we are receiving 48,500. and donation we have written. Okay, donation we have written in the balance sheet. Next, entrance fees also we have written. Now see in payment side, salary, that we will write all the payments we will write in the debit side to salary. How much salary? 1,24,500. So first of all we will solve all the additional information that are given to you. After that items are pending, write in income and expenditure account. Okay, salary we have written. To stationery, stationery is 24,000. Now rate and taxes, to rate and taxes it's 36,000. Telephone expenses, telephone expense are 6,000. Investment 75,000. It means मैंने कहा ना हमें dividend receive हो रहा है, it means we are having some shares, so that is investment, that is our assets, that we will write in the current year balance sheet, not in the previous year balance sheet, because we have purchased this investment in this year. Receipt and payment account is given to you in the question that is of current year. Okay, then how much investment is there? It's 75,000. On that we have received this dividend. Okay, postage 10,000, that we will write in the expense postage. Sundry expense, it means छोटे छोटे जो expense हैं, that we will put in the sundry expense. Okay, now we have written all the information that is given to us. Now we will calculate these 3 accounts. Okay, I should rub this subscription account. this much is sufficient to write the total. Okay. First of all, we will calculate the opening capital fund by differentiate these asset side and liability side. Okay, इन दोनों का difference हम find out करेंगे. That will come 6,65,700. Okay, nothing is here in liability side, so total of asset side is equal to the capital fund. You will write here balancing figure. Balancing figure means by difference of both side we have calculated. Okay, now we will do the total of both side of income and expenditure account. Okay, so we will get the amount of income side will be more than expense side. Okay, so it will come surplus to surplus. Okay, excess of income over expenditure is known as surplus. That we will find out by total of both side. Okay, so difference of both side, it will come 15,600. Okay, after that you will write the total of both side, it will 3,04,200 and put two lines for the closing of income and expenditure account. Okay, now it has closed. Now what we will do, that in closing balance sheet we will write first of all this capital fund, it's 6,65,700, and we will add that surplus that we have find out here 15,600 in this. Okay, it will come 6,71,300. Okay, clear? Now the total of both side should be equal. Okay, you can that entrance fees and capitalize and donation fees that has capitalized, you can add this in capital fund also. इसे आप capital fund में भी add कर सकते हो और अलग से भी लिख सकते हो. Okay, clear? Now the total of both side will be 8,51,100. If total of both side is equal, it means your question is correct. If there will be difference, then you will find out your mistake. Okay, so students, this type of question will come in your exam, final exam of 6 mark. Okay, you have to do practice of all the examples and all the practical questions that are given to you in your book. First of all, you will do practice of from that. After that, we will revise from that any sample paper. Okay, so complete all the questions, all the examples and practical questions for the preparation of your PT2 exam. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.